The first is Octohunt. Octohunt is Boolean enabled, and it just allows us to search Boolean strings. Like maybe we're looking for like a mobile developer in Seattle. You can search it and it'll pull up people that meet this criteria. Again, it's not Boolean enabled normally, so we can use things like Octohunt to allow that. Another is Git Logs. Git Log is like a Wikipedia kind of interface, I guess, if you will, for GitHub. Like maybe you're looking for a front end developer, and you can go through all these different technologies and see what they're. If you click in one, for example, well, I don't know if this is going to work because I didn't log in. Oh, good, it will. You can see all these different like front end projects that are using what you just selected. You can sort by language. You can sort by time, last month, last week, blah blah blah. Why would you want to do this? Well, typically, if you see that somebody is last month or even last week and they're making active changes or commits, you'll see right there that they're active. And so that means that they're probably still invested in the technology. I mean, how often do we as sources and recruiters find a background and reach out to them and they say, I haven't worked on that technology in 5 years? This combats that because this is somebody that's actively working on that technology. So that's something to keep in mind when you want to sort. There's also GitStar. GitStar sorts a lot of stars or like activity, essentially, is the best way to think about it. Or yeah, I don't want to get too confusing. That's essentially what it means. And if you want different users working on different areas or different companies, like if you want to go to the company I'm a part of, for example, working in React, something we built, obviously we're working a lot in React Native. So it talked about different technologies there. So if you're looking for specific technologies or specific skill sets or things of that nature, these tools like GitStar or Git Logs, they allow us to find those much easier than trying to navigate the craziness that is GitHub and that UI itself. Git Hunt, that allows, very similar to what I mentioned with Git Logs, and that you can sort by language, by time, things of that nature. Just another way to do so, but I use it quite a bit when I'm looking for active users like that are maybe working in some sort of deep learning framework.